Good afternoon from Parsley Hill Spaniels. Just thought we'd do a little quick update. They've been fed and hopefully they've pooped and watered everywhere now. So that means I haven't got to do too much cleaning up. And here's where the main lot are. They're all into eating and doing things they shouldn't be doing. In fact, what has Edward got? No! Can't have that. Okay, they think they're electricians now. So I have to deal with that, if you excuse me for a second. Right, okay, sorry about that. Sorry about that was out of focus, but someone thought he was an electrician. And now he thinks that he's into cable companies. Just a second. Wait! No, you can't have that. No! No! Come on, no! No! Big fat no. Oh, there we go. Got to get their attention. Hang on. Come on, what's this?